are we right now?
We are in Las Vegas.
I'm in Vegas, baby.
Las Vegas, Nevada.
So we're in the middle of the desert at the fence show. This is the very first fence show that there has ever been. The FWA, Brian Frederickson, the Las Vegas fence team put this show on. It's my first time in Vegas though. And it's also the first fence show, so there's a lot of firsts going on right here.
It's definitely a different vibe. I think everyone feels a little more comfortable.
There's so much more energy, so much more passion.
It's just so much interaction. It's just crazy.
I think it's a new world.
Who's excited to go inside and see all the
So to me, the fence show is education.
Networking, seeing the new tools.
You need to get plugged into your trade, whatever that is. And so this is just part of being plugged in.
Like there is a need for this group to bring people in so they have a place that they can ask these questions, to be a part of something and not exclusive but inclusive, so everybody could come together.
See Elvis out there? See Marilyn's dress come up? She had her own fan to make it come up. It was wild. Yeah, she just carried it around with her.
Some people don't want to leave. They just don't. They want more.
I don't think that there's probably been a show that's ever been put on that came out this great out of the gate.
The fence games is basically like the Olympics of fencing.
The fence games is the benchmark in fence. It's the only thing that there is that other fellow fencers can come together and they can really measure themselves out and see who is the king of fence, right? This is becoming something that people are looking forward to, you know?
It is everything from, wire stretching and bias cutting, which shameless plug, those are Wireworks sponsors. But it's also owning your hole, it's digging your holes. It's also nailing tickets. It's also doing layouts. It's really, the reason I say Olympics is because it's kind of a wide range of skill sets that are typically required when building fence.
I gotta tell you something, one thing I've seen is, it's not always how fast you fence, but it's how well you fence fast. See what I'm saying? At the fence games, it is the pinnacle of good fence. So if you think you're a great fencer, but you've never been on the stage at the fence games, at the fence show, we don't really know. That's just a self-proclaimed thing. Out here, we're literally giving out titles and medals to people that can build fence fast and well. And I think what we're gonna see over time is we're gonna see a trend in better fencers, faster fencers, and a more competitive space. And I'm really looking forward to it.
I literally just talked to a guy. He said he's been in the industry for decades and he's always been against what he's heard, but he actually got there, met with the team. We're demoing these tools. We're talking to him about the processes of how we do things. And he literally bought a tool, changed his mind, and became part of a positive in the industry.
What's like your favorite part about this entire trip?
This fence show, there's so much more energy, so much more passion. Even last night at the kickoff party, there was so much energy in there. Here, everybody's dancing, and it was a lot of fun.
The show is going to grow. You can tell, like people are already buying booths for next year, right? And like this wasn't, everyone he's going to say I'm going to have a trade show. Brian did, and they're like, oh, that'll never work. And now he's selling out parts of next year before this one's over with. So it's going a long way.